Good morning, everybody. So let's have a get ready with me, but before that I need to finish up this glass of water. So I like to start first with this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. So before this I hated wearing sunscreen, but since finding out about this formula, it is so good. What's happening? Anyway, let's start again, shall we? Now I'm gonna apply Nita 2-in-1 Pemadam Foundation and Concealer in 1.0. Using the Nita Base Conceal Brush. Alright, I like to apply 3 dots like this and then blend. You can use your fingers or with a sponge. Now I'm gonna apply loose powder. Oh man, I'm gonna apply Tom Ford in the color taupe. Using Lime Crime Bushy Brow Dirty Blonde. So this is my favorite part, applying the false eyelash. But before that, pencil eyeliner from Kate. Mascara from KKW. So I just like to coat it on top of the lashes so that it gives like a stability. These are my favorite falsies. Ever since I found these lashes, I stopped wearing lash extensions. It is so natural. Usually when I buy lashes, I like the ones that have a cat eye effect on them because it gives that sexy look. Right, now lips. My favorite Huda Beauty in Sandy Beige. Hair! Right, contouring time, I'm going to use Natasha Denona in Contour Sculpting Powder with this brush from Nita. Alright, and gonna put some on the cheeks as well. Kat sini, kat bawah the blush area. Alright, just to uplift my cheeks. Do the fish face. And I want to try something neutral today. Earring.